a city that embodies growth and the spirit of moving forward. Today, just like a city, we are stepping into a new area, an area of rapid technological change, thriving AI innovation, and expanding opportunities across the Asia-Pacific region. Yet, one thing remains unchanged: our commitment to growing together will never pass.
That's right. Times will change, but the spirit of evolution never fades. In 2026, 瑞杰瑞艺 will join forces with all of our partners to evolve together and expand together, creating new opportunities across the Asia-Pacific market. Thank you to every partner being with us on this journey. Together, we will shape a brighter future.
Here in Chongqing, a hub that connects the world, we gather under the sea, evolution for expansion, to begin a new chapter of growth for Rezi Renyi.
Now, let's give a warm round of applause to welcome Ms. Liu Hongyu, Vice President of Ruijie Networks, to deliver the opening remarks.
Welcome.
干了。
Good morning, everyone. First of all, on behalf of Ruijie Networks, welcome to the new city of Chongqing. We are very happy to see so many familiar faces here. Thanks for traveling here, and we will continue the support. This year, our theme is evolving. Why evolution evolving? Because the world is changing fast. Technology is changing. Business is changing. Ruijie and our partners are changing too. We are evolving to become stronger and smarter. First, let's look back at 2025. I can tell you with confidence, 2025 was an extraordinary year for Ruijie Networks. As a public company, our market value has surpassed $10.2 billion. Our global revenue reached $2.07 billion. This is a growth of 22%. But the most exciting part is our overseas business. Our overseas business has been growing rapidly. It now makes up 18.6% of our global sales. Our global footprint is expanding rapidly. Today, our business covers 147 countries. We have 20,000 partners worldwide. Among them, more than 3,500 are international partners, which includes all of you here. Our product service customers in every industry, everywhere. Let me give you some examples. In Mexico, Ruijie APs provide high-density Wi-Fi coverage for landmark church hotel. In France, our data center switches serve data center high-speed enterprise. In Brazil, we use 16 APs to cover the 28,000-seat Olympic Stadium in Paraná. In Japan, Ruijie provides 410G backbone infrastructure for 8 facilities of an aerospace operation.
孙磊，
In South Africa, you can see Ruijie
马德瑞。
products everywhere at the southernmost tip of the African continent. In Egypt, Ruijie APs watch over the pyramids. In Nepal, Ruijie provides Wi-Fi to the base camp of Mount Everest.
还有嘞，
Stories prove that our solutions works.
我的
They bring
volunteer
value
chairman
to
sir.
our customers. Now,
This
we
is
are
Carl
committed
and
to
this is
AI.
my sister Karina.
To stay ahead, we have increased our investment in AI significantly. We are innovating in two main areas. First, powerful AI infrastructure for data centers. Our design